Today, we're going to show you how to add additional parcel details through the web platform. This includes tags, notes, and more. From the dashboard, open the Parcels tab. In the top right corner, click Add Parcel. Enter the recipient's name, then type in the parcel's unique identifier. Next, click Show Advanced. You can add things like the courier, the tracking number, tags, storage location, notes, and finally, select the parcel dimensions. When you're done, click Add Parcel. Once you've added the parcel, you can view and modify the information at any time.